Okay, this is how you make a zombie horde sound effect if you're wanting to do it yourself. Now, typically I would be doing this for a longer period of time, but we just want to show you how it's done. First off, you just make the sounds with your voice, just as you would suspect them to sound. Right off the bat, it doesn't sound very good. That's okay. That's just the beginning. You want to do at least 3, but you don't want to do too many. If you did like 20, it'd be just so much you couldn't even hear it. So, you know, like 3, 5, 6, that's about how many different recordings you want to do. And make everyone different. So we did the simple one. Now we want to do sort of like a heavy breathing. Okay. All right, let's do another one. All right, let's do one more. Oh, I messed that one up, didn't I? Ah, come on. Okay, time to throw them into our timeline altogether. It's not going to sound too good. It's okay for a start. This is where it gets good. We're going to throw this down 5. Copy. Paste paste it in all these events. And you're going to want some of them to be deeper than others. No, let's leave that one. Let's move this one down to 7 though. Okay, this is where it gets good. And you can mess around with the pitches, the equalization. Some of them you might want bass, some of you might not want bass. But that's about how you do it, and it sounds good enough to use in a video then. Making your own zombie horde sound effect.